In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Looker Studio. This process will take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to lookerstudio.google.com. This is the platform where you'll be creating and managing your reports. Once you're there, you'll see the home page. This is your command center where you can coordinate all your data visualization efforts. Now direct your attention to the home button on the screen and give it a click. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your projects and reports within Looker Studio. Getting familiar with this area will make it much easier to navigate as you begin creating new reports or managing existing ones. Next, we'll move on to accessing Looker Studio, which is the next step in integrating Google Analytics. You can directly navigate to it by following the available links, usually presented at the top of your interface labeled Looker Studio. This area is where the magic happens, where you'll build and edit your reports. Now we're going to jump right into creating a new report. On the Looker Studio page, locate the Create button and click on it. It's typically well marked and easy to find, providing you with various options for starting something new. Clicking it will present a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, you want to select Report. This will launch a new window where you can start creating a fresh report to display your data. Everything from this point on will be within the context of building a new report to connect Google Analytics. Now that you've got your new report window open, the next step is to add Google Analytics as a data source. To do this, locate the options for data source connections and click on Google Analytics. This is crucial, as it's the bridge that allows Google Analytics data to flow into Looker Studio, enabling you to visualize and manipulate your data however you see fit. Once you've selected Google Analytics, you'll be prompted to choose from the available accounts and properties that you have access to. Make sure to select the correct account, property, and view that you want to import data from. This selection will determine what data is available for your reports. By following these steps, you're setting a solid foundation for creating insightful visualizations using the robust datasets you have in Google Analytics. Remember, once your data is connected, you can explore countless ways to present it via charts, graphs, and tables, comprehensively capturing the story hidden within your numbers. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics to Looker Studio, creating a new playground for your data analysis needs. With this connection, you can now utilize the powerful tools within Looker Studio to bring your data to life and drive more informed decision making. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.